Exercise 32. This one is about x-intercepts of a given function. Let y equals a times x minus b times x minus b times x plus 4 times x minus 4. In this equation, a and b are positive constants which are different from one another. How many distinct, different x-intercepts does the graph of the equation in the xy plane have? Okay, quick reminder. X-intercept is found when y is 0. So basically, in order to identify the x-intercepts here, we would simply need to make y equal to 0, equate that, substitute that is, and then solve for x. But how would I do that? Remember, we know that there is the zero product theorem. Zero product theorem suggests that when a product a times b equals 0, then either a is 0 or b is 0. This, however, can be generalized in more than two factors. So this means that if a times b times c up to we never stop equals 0, then either a is 0 or b is 0 or c is 0. In this case, we have to identify the factors. It's a, so either a is 0, which however cannot happen because we were told that a is positive, so not, or x is 0, that could happen, or x minus b is 0, which leads to x being equal to b, or x minus b equals 0 again, which leads, however, to the same value, or x plus a equals 0, which leads to x being equal to a, or x minus a is 0, which leads to x being equal to a this time. How many different distinct x-intercepts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So C would be the right answer here.